Bagan. Then they can produce money for the club. So we are trying here to just give the message to the local people that Mohun Bagan is a big club, and we are in stands into the charity program also we are going through with our new team actually. And then people knows what is Mohun Bagan. Then sponsor will attract. Yeah, people are engaging with Mohun Bagan. That means our brand visibility will come in front.
Yeah, sure. No, there's a lot of people walking out. Like for the club and all that. And I think that it's also something that the club I think should be giving more value I think for because like you're doing things by heart over here.
Yes,
just coming together, spending time, spending money and all that, moving from Pune. So I think the club I think should be giving that really value for the things. Yes, it's a good thing. When you are there, I think you're playing a big role. I just feel even last year you have been present. I've been also watching the match and
always
I'm seeing you in the stands and supporting like anything. You're more active even in Pune FC supporters, and it's really good. It's a good feeling. I also feel the same when I play. When I usually come to Bombay or Pune, I always feel like wow, our guys they are here, the fans they are here, so we should do something for them. Should pay it back, and always it was that in my mind. And I just feel it's good when the players they come here and see in USA, yes, the guys are here with us and let's fighting for them.
Sir, I was just thinking that the way my
you
son
play a big role. I think you played a big role in everything. I think.
And we try to do something in the innovative way to support and cheer our team. It's not like hooliganism and anything. It's showing our culture, our love for our team members. But I was just thinking that the way my son is supporting the Barcelona or some of the small kids, why, and Liverpool also. Why not there is so much fanatics about Mohun Bagan in our own country, sir? Why we have to go to other places? Because of the standard of the playing, I understand. But that heritage we want to pass on to our next generation. That is the effort.
Fantastic. It's really good. It's really fantastic.
That's why we are involving all of our children to come here and see. We will also show it to all the small members. He is, I think, the proudest member now today. That he will take on this legacy to his children and their offsprings also. The way we have got our inheritance from our fathers and forefathers. So that Mohun Bagan will ever continue.
It's what I appreciate in Mohun Bagan. Really, it's what I appreciate in. And that pushing to the next generations.
Absolutely.
And I'm meeting a lot of people say yes, I'm here today because my father used to take me, my grandfather. And something is really beautiful. Don't let these things to go, to go away.
There is a small story. We just traveled to Bangalore from here for the last match of Mohun Bagan last season. So we are at most 22 people. But through Facebook we are tracking which Calcutta fans is coming. And also there is a fans club in Bangalore, Bangalore Mariners. They have arranged for us to stay everything actually. Now we are incorporating with Delhi Mariners, Mumbai Pune Mariners, Bangalore Mariners, and also helping the Calcutta fans club. There is a lots of fan club in Calcutta. Okay, there is not single platform. And in 3 cities there is a single platform because people are more engaged with their personal life also. So one guy, he is just passed his 12th exam. Only 300 rupees he has started from there, and his parents are so much worried. Finally we called his parents. His uncle, he is with us. We are tracking few of the people in that train. We called them and they had tracked him, and he will get some seat over there and will be treated good here in Bangalore. We are here. Means that's amazing actually. The guy, he is in 12, so much of guts. He came to Bangalore with only 300 rupees.
With only 300 rupees, boarded the train from Howrah.
Clubs should recognize that kind of things actually.
It's true.
Even if Showman Shulogna, aged like 40 with me, with wife, he has gone with his wife for the celebration of National League. While coming back, they don't have any ticket, anything. They have just stand up and they came back with some monies to the ticket checkers with wife itself. Nobody can think of that things. just to celebrate with the club. That day, that is
Unless and
amazing.
until you're doing by your heart,
Yeah.
can't do
Absolutely.
that kind of fanatism.
So you have a lot of strength. Like, see, as we are from Pune, we're saying from Delhi, Bangalore, it's really.
And continuously we are tracking the people coming here for job, because through Facebook it's a worldwide right now. So people who is coming to Pune and Bangalore, we first call them, guy, give your number through Facebook message. He is giving, we are here for help, for your rent, everything we are here, we will help you for the room and everything. There is a come of society that we like football, so we'll stay together. That's the
And sir,
feeling
one
we
thing
are.
we have started, sir.
Sir.
We have monthly or bi-monthly, we try to do play among ourselves.
Small tournament.
Small tournaments, but I have asked Sneha to do it for some slum peoples, some underprivileged people who play football, but they don't have the forum. So at least if we could involve them, then we can give it to you, sir, in your academy also. One or two players we can sponsor at least. We are all sitting in the very top, sir. Every person is sitting here, sir. I always give you my message also about my promotion and everything. Riddhi is the HR of Glenmark, one of the renowned pharmaceuticals, sir. Everybody is a golden jewel, sir. So if we can sponsor some of the child, sir, and push it to the Reliance Academy or anything, so we can give it in your hand and you can come out in the future, sir. Many of the people, because of the money, sir, they cannot do. That can be our contribution from the fans side, sir.
In Airoli, we are organizing football tournament among Bengalis, different Bengali association, Airoli, Koparkirni, Belapur, Thane and all. So most of the team come with most of them are labor. They are doing some building labor odd jobs, and they used to play football. Because of money, just spend some time for football and then they do their work. So yes, that idea is if we can support them and they can choose their future as a football player, then we can see the better
sir,
result.
We can spend a day with you, sir. We have fun. We can go in a hotel, sir. We can have lots of money spent on our food and beverages and everything. But I think we should collect some money. And I have given that idea to Sneha. Sneha has accepted to support two at least of the grassroots players, and we should contribute. So Mumbai Pune Mariners has contributed these two players. Let him be failure, no problem. Let us do our love and everything for the football benefit, and that is our contribution. We will do that, sir.
Yeah, if you do anything, just contact me.
Definitely.
Of mine, and like any day to be there, the kind of selection, something like that. Also with my connections, maybe whatever. My program here is a little bit different program because we are under the umbrella of ICL. So the players that coming to our academy, it has to come through the franchise. Right? It cannot come like direct. It all has to come through the franchise. Right? And like every year we're doing a selection. We have to go to the franchise, and over there we're selecting the players. Then we bring all of them over here, and here we're selecting the players. It's the way it's working. But of course, I have also connections, whatever, any club or there's a new club of Pune. How call it? DSK. Then see, having many connections. At least in the place where it's working, where the system is working. I think this academy is quite serious. Pune is still working. Pune still is going on, the academy in Pune, and I know the people there in Pune as well. So all these academies, Tata, I have a guy of mine over there, is Mukul, is the CEO there as well. Pune I have also, I know the CEO of Pune. So I have all these contacts in the academies.
Right, sir.
So maybe if you are going one day to make a selection, selecting one player and all that, to be sending him to one of the academies, then I'm saying, with my connection I can do it as well.
Sir, please be comfortable with this group itself. We are not here to disturb you absolutely, but it is our pleasure, sir, if we come in any hand to help you, sir. You are in Mumbai, sir. Please feel at home that you are with your Mumbai brothers. Any job, sir. Any job, I am saying.
Anytime.
Don't hesitate, sir. You will just jump up, sir.
Thank you.
Your family related, anybody you want to have any doctor consultation or anything, if any at all.
God forbid, if anything is.
Be comfortable, sir. You are in Brazil. Just think that when these brothers are there.
Thank you.
Okay.
Do you have any idea how many supporters they have here of Mohun Bagan?
250 were or
Yeah,
Mumbai and Pune.
Yeah.
And they are active.
Active.
They are active.
Yeah.
They're active.
But beyond that, much more.
Yes, thousands and thousands. Mohun Bagans are thousands and thousands in Mumbai, Pune. But they are engaged in their household. They don't know where to approach the forum.
Scattered as well.
You should think about it as well. Huh?
Yeah.
All the places, all the
You
Bengali
should,
associations.
going to the Bengal Association, know who are the people of
Who want to
Mohun
come
Bagan,
to
and
attach
you
with
could
us.
make in real a big
Actually,
net of
last
of
year
supporters.
I have sent some letter to all the Bengali association secretary and everyone through Facebook and their mail ID also. But need to meet them actually to get better response.
Yeah,
Actually.
because maybe you could come out with whatever website or something like that.
Yes.
Even
Much amount of people can
maybe
come and join this.
Yeah, join it, and I don't think with numbers would be difficult for you to get sponsors to maintain it and all that.
Yeah.
Yes, it could be really a big net.
Definitely.
And like you are 250 today, but in the future can be maybe 2,000 people into this net and all that.
Can get some better engaging with football.
Yeah, engage it with that, and you could even running things, the way you're planning, maybe football
Yeah.
and all these things, because sometimes there's a people available that can do it in the full time or something like that. Then you could come out with a system, even maybe with small club, with
Absolutely.
whatever, Marinas, Mohun Bagan, that way and all that. Because if you have in numbers, you can,
Absolutely.
you could do it.
Definitely, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving your
Welcome.
precious time, sir.
Thank you.
I think, sir, you are alone, so you want to spend the time. Otherwise, we want to meet your little ones, sir. All the and madam. So one day.
You come a nice time, I think they'll be coming by second week of Jan, they'll be back.
Your birthday, definitely, sir, we will be here. We will take leave from the office, sir, to celebrate. You will give your time, sir. Obviously, we will take the prior permission of you, sir, regarding the time. And we want to spend that time with you, sir.
No problem, guys.
Okay,
Sir,
thank you, sir.
one message for the team.
For the I-League, Mohun Bagan team for the
For I League, see my best wish for Mohun Bagan. I know the club is been working very hard to making, I think, once again a good selection, and I'm sure I'm happy as well that one Brazilian will be there. At this time is Luciano, and he's a fantastic guy. I think he's going to help in Mohun Bagan in all aspects. Happy also to Nordi to be back. Katsum is there as well. I think Mohun Bagan is being well served by foreigners this year. And I'm sure, confident also that club will be getting also making good selection of local players, of Indian players. So all my best wishes for the club. I think my message for the fans is just keeping supporting. I think all over India, I think us having team here from Bombay and Pune. So I think whatever way the club is going, I think the fans should be there supporting, giving their, I think their push up. I think they are always usually say that fans are supposed they are the 13th player of the team. So I think as I was a player, always expecting some of the fans to be there. So I think my message is that for the fans to follow up, supporting the club, supporting the team. I think this is the most important thing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
And
much.
once again, together we will say, in Barato,
Viva!
in Barato, in Barato.
I hope the daughter doesn't wake up because of that.
No, I
Thank
don't
you,
think so.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Then guys,
God bless you. Stay blessed. Stay
yeah, I'm still working, and I had been in the morning because today is off day of the boys. But today is a day that we are busy. We are busy because
Recording.
Sunday they are free
Recording
and they are children. So we know